what's happening? It's your girl, aka All Smiles in the building. I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys. I'm gonna say my prayer because God forgive me, I keep forgetting to say my prayer. I'm horrible, but okay. Thank you, God, for this food that I am about to receive. May it be nourishment for my body. Bless those that do not have proper meals. I actually bless them with the things that they need to survive on an everyday basis. Thank you for all that you have done for me and all that you will do. Thank you, Father. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Today we have pizza and honey barbecue boneless chicken wings today, guys. So I don't know, it's cold out, so I have my hat on. I ran straight there, came here, and I was like, you know what? Instead of eating off camera, why not eat on camera? So here is you. Ooh, look at this though. Like, look at that though. Like, oh, tell me that don't look good. That's my thumbnail. That's my thumbnail. Oh, you know what? Yeah. All right, that's my thumbnail. But oh my God, I'm not really a pizza person, but the only pizza I can eat is Pizza Hut because their crust is so good. So good. So soft. Nobody else does their crust like this. Anytime I go to like a place that do like pizza that's not well known, like a Chicago style pizza, it's always like thin crust, and I don't like thin crust. If I'm gonna eat pizza, it gotta be pizza. Okay? That's it, that's all. No bother. I'm greedy. I seriously love their crust. So just buttery. I think I don't like pizza now because of the I just don't think I care for the tomato sauce. Maybe I don't like the tomato sauce. I think that's what it is. Just give me the cheese and the pepperoni and the crust. But then it'll be dry, so yeah. Tell me some other ways you guys like your pizza. I know they also have like a white sauce, Alfredo sauce. I have had that one time with a like a chicken pizza that had chicken, onions, peppers, you know, banana peppers, whatever, bacon. I have had like the white sauce with that kind of pizza, but I don't know about with pepperoni. But tell me what's y'all craziest pizza. Molly, go. No, baby. I could not go to Pizza Hut and not get wings. It's so good. I'm so tired today, guys. Today was one of them days that drained me. Literally drained me. Work, Can't wait to get to a point where I can just do YouTube full time. That would be great. Good. Oh, I'm just drinking these that I brought back from Miami when I was there. A little mixed sangria thing. You know, I ain't really a drink these kind of drinks person. I like a drink. You hear me? A drink. And this is like Kool-Aid, but I didn't feel like making a whole drink, so I was like, I'll just drink that. Can you see it? There we go. Boom, bing, bow. Boom, bing, bow. How many slices do you think I'm gonna eat? Comment down below. Comment down below. Here, Valley. No. Valley is like a kid. He had nothing around him. I want to take it all. Numero tres. Oh, yeah. That one was cheesier with less sauce on it. I like that spice. I'm not getting no more. No. That was a big bite. Well, I just wanted to do a quick little pop in, pop out. Honey barbecue wings, bomb. So good. I love this crust. I should have got stuffed crust. Man. I should have got stuffed crust. Whew. That one hit me. love Pizza Hut pizza. Okay, dude. Dang, I ate 4? I ate 3 or 4. Mm. Mm. I don't know, what, did I eat a lot of cheese off of that one or something? I just skipped me on my cheese on these 2 slices. Too bad they don't have the Domino's insurance thing. Domino's says, anything wrong with your pizza? We'll bring you a new one. Free of charge. That's what's up. Probably eating every little crumb that falls on the floor. I'm getting full, y'all. Boom. I got a fucking ticket. Miami trip was so fun. That time I spent down there. But I am so mad I got that ticket. What do y'all think I got the ticket for? What do y'all think my ticket was for? I'm not going to tell you this in the next video. I want to see what y'all say. But I got a ticket. I wasn't really mad, but I was like, dang, are you serious? I thought he was going to give me a break. But nope. He did not. I think I'm done, guys. Sorry, my thing came on that side. Low battery. Well, I think I'm done. I just wanted to say hello. Share my meal with you guys. I hope you're eating something good while you're watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to stay safe, stay blessed. I will see you in the next video.